Saudi Arabia's 2034 FIFA World Cup infrastructure will shatter our understanding of what's possible in stadium design. One stadium will float 350 meters in the sky within Linear City. Another will be carved into a cliff face, anchored by 2,300 massive rock bolts. A third will transform its capacity by 30,000 seats in mere hours. The venues will feature cooling systems that can drop temperatures by 40 degrees Celsius, while using 40% less energy than conventional designs. The world's first stadium-integrated vertical farm and the Middle East's first net-zero energy stadium, powered by 35,000 square meters of solar panels. From the coastal breeze harvesting facades of Jeddah to the high-altitude engineering of Abba at 2,200 meters above sea level, these venues will redefine the intersection of architecture, technology, and sport. Welcome to what will be the largest simultaneous stadium construction project in sports history. If you enjoy exploring the future of sports infrastructure, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like and share it with fellow engineering and sports enthusiasts. Now, let's dive into the most ambitious stadium project humanity has ever undertaken. Riyadh region, the capital's crown jewels. King Salman International Stadium, the national pride. Set to rise from the heart of Riyadh, the King Salman International Stadium will stand as the cornerstone of Saudi Arabia's World Cup ambitions. This 92,760-seat colossus will be the country's largest stadium and will host both the tournament's opening ceremony and final match. The stadium's distinctive architecture will draw inspiration from traditional Saudi geometric patterns, with a facade that will transform from opaque to translucent as day turns to night. Its most innovative feature will be its adaptive climate control system, which will maintain a comfortable 22 degrees Celsius, even when external temperatures soar past 45 degrees Celsius. This will be achieved through a combination of solar-powered cooling systems and a smart shade canopy that will adjust its position based on the sun's movement. The roof structure, spanning 307 meters, will employ a lightweight ETFE membrane that will reduce solar gain while allowing natural light to reach the pitch. Construction will begin in 2025 and will utilize over 60,000 tons of steel and 250,000 cubic meters of concrete. The project will emphasize sustainability, with 30% of construction materials sourced from recycled components. The stadium will feature the world's largest stadium solar installation, generating 20 megawatts of power, enough to meet 70% of its energy needs. Prince Mohammed bin Salman Stadium. Engineering meets nature. This 45,000-seat venue will be literally carved into the cliffs of Qiddiya, defying conventional stadium design. The stadium's unique three-sided bowl structure will integrate with the natural rock face, creating a spectacular viewing experience where one end of the stadium will open to the panoramic views of Riyadh's skyline. The engineering challenges will be immense, anchoring a massive structure into a cliff while ensuring seismic stability and managing water drainage. The solution will include a complex network of 2,300 rock anchors and a sophisticated water management system that will handle flash floods while recycling water for irrigation. The stadium will feature the world's first convertible pitch system at this elevation, allowing the surface to be changed from natural grass to artificial turf in under 6 hours. The retractable roof will close in just 15 minutes, protecting spectators from sudden weather changes. King Fahad Sports City Stadium. Reimagining an icon. Known affectionately as the Tent since 1987, this historic venue is undergoing a $400 million transformation that honours its legacy while embracing the future. The stadium's signature roof, supported by 24 distinctive pylons that have stood since its construction, will be enhanced with a state-of-the-art LED membrane that will transform the entire structure into a dynamic light display visible from 5 kilometers away. The renovation will expand capacity from 68,752 to 70,200 seats while completely reimagining the spectator experience. The athletics track removal will bring fans 15 meters closer to the action, creating one of the most intimate atmospheres for a stadium of this size. A revolutionary smart seat system will provide individual climate control and mobile device charging for every spectator, while the new circular panoramic screen stretching 800 meters around the stadium's circumference will be the world's largest continuous stadium display. South Riyadh Stadium, Salmani Heritage Reimagined. The 47,060-seat South Riyadh Stadium's facade will feature geometric patterns that will shift throughout the day as sunlight plays across 50,000 individually crafted aluminium panels. The design will incorporate traditional architectural elements while housing cutting-edge sustainability features. The stadium's innovative water management system will capture and recycle 95% of water used on-site, while the surrounding landscape will feature native drought-resistant plants that will reduce water consumption by 60% compared to conventional stadium grounds. Solar panels integrated into the parking structures will generate 40% of the venue's power needs. A smart crowd management system will use AI to optimize entry and exit flows through 16 main gates, while the stadium's location will offer direct connection to Riyadh's new metro system through a dedicated station capable of handling 8,000 passengers per hour. Prince Faisal bin Fahd Sports City Stadium, Historic Evolution. This complete rebuild of a historic venue will expand capacity to 45,000, while honouring the legacy of Saudi Arabia's first major football stadium, which was built in 1971. The new design will incorporate materials from the original structure into architectural features, creating a physical link between past and future. The stadium will introduce the region's first dynamic atmosphere system, using advanced acoustics to enhance crowd noise while providing crystal-clear audio throughout the venue. A revolutionary LED facade will transform the entire exterior into a giant display, visible from up to 3 kilometers away. The venue's climate control system will use geothermal cooling, reducing energy consumption by 35% compared to conventional systems. Underground cisterns will capture and store rainwater, providing 100% of irrigation needs for the hybrid grass-pitch system. ROSHN Stadium, Urban Integration. Spanning 450,000 square meters, the 45,000-seat ROSHN Stadium will anchor a comprehensive urban development project. Its crystalline design, featuring elevated edges and transparent sections, will create a visual dialogue with surrounding residential and commercial spaces. The stadium's innovative neighborhood integration design will have public spaces that will remain accessible year-round, while a smart energy grid will connect the stadium with surrounding developments, optimizing power distribution and reducing overall consumption by 25%. Mixed-use spaces within the stadium complex will include educational facilities, retail outlets, and community sports venues, ensuring consistent activity beyond match days. This will be Saudi Arabia's first stadium-integrated business incubator, focusing on sports technology and entertainment innovations. New Murabba Stadium, Nature's Architecture. Drawing inspiration from the native acacia tree, this 45,000-seat venue will feature a unique canopy structure that will provide natural shade while maximizing air circulation. The stadium's biophilic design will incorporate living walls and vertical gardens, processing 85,000 cubic meters of air per hour, while reducing ambient temperature by up to 5 degrees Celsius naturally. The venue's innovative smart tree system will combine lighting, surveillance, and climate monitoring in structures that mimic acacia trees, providing both functional and aesthetic benefits. Underground parking for 12,000 vehicles will include the city's largest electric vehicle charging hub, with 500 charging stations. King Saud University Stadium, Academic Innovation. This 46,319-seat venue will uniquely combine sporting excellence with educational opportunity. As the first stadium in Riyadh to be built without a running track, it will offer unparalleled proximity to the action. The stadium will serve as a living laboratory for King Saud University's engineering and architecture students, featuring accessible monitoring systems for structural health, energy usage, and crowd dynamics. NEOM region, the future elevated. NEOM Stadium, vertical innovation. Set to redefine stadium architecture, NEOM Stadium will rise 350 meters above ground level, equivalent to the Empire State Building's 86th floor. This 45,000-seat engineering marvel will occupy levels 4 and 5 of The Line, integrating seamlessly with the vertical city's residential, commercial, and entertainment spaces. The stadium's revolutionary hexagonal beehive seating configuration will maximize viewing angles while distributing structural loads across the line's framework through an advanced cable-stayed support system. Access to the stadium will revolutionize the traditional matchday experience. 20 high-speed sports elevators, capable of traveling 10 meters per second, will transport 40,000 spectators every 15 minutes. An autonomous vehicle system will integrate with the line's AI-controlled transportation network, allowing direct access from anywhere within the city. Predictive crowd flow algorithms will optimize movement patterns, reducing typical stadium entry times by 60%. The venue's high-altitude position will turn environmental challenges into advantages. At 350 meters, the stadium will harvest prevailing winds through aerodynamic channeling, creating natural ventilation that reduces cooling requirements by 45%. The renewable energy-powered climate control system will use just 30% of the energy required by conventional stadiums, combining solar power and hydrogen fuel cells integrated into the line's energy grid. Innovation will extend to sustainability, the world's first in-stadium vertical farming system spanning 2,000 square meters. This urban architecture initiative will provide fresh ingredients for hospitality services whilst demonstrating sustainable food production. The integrated water management system will capture atmospheric moisture and humidity, providing 60% of the stadium's water needs through recycling. Eastern Province, Al Khobar, Aramco Stadium, Coastal Innovation Hub. Set to rise from Al Khobar's coastline, the $390 million Aramco Stadium will harmonize cutting-edge technology with environmental responsibility. The stadium's wave-inspired exterior will feature a dynamic facade of 40,000 lightweight aluminium panels that will respond to wind conditions, optimizing natural ventilation while creating a constantly evolving architectural display. The 47,000-seat venue, expandable to 55,000 for concerts, will incorporate breakthrough cooling technology developed by Saudi Aramco's research division. The system will use a combination of seawater cooling and solar-powered chillers to maintain optimal temperatures while consuming 40% less energy than conventional systems. The stadium's smart skin will adjust its transparency, reducing solar gain during day matches, while allowing natural light to nurture the pitch's hybrid grass system. The surrounding 8,000 square metre sports city development will include training facilities, a sports science centre, and a startup incubator focused on sports technology innovation. The complex will serve as a proving ground for new technologies in stadium operations, from AI-powered maintenance systems to robotics-assisted groundskeeping. Jeddah region, Coastal Trilogy. King Abdullah Sports City Stadium, the shining jewel. This 62,241-seat stadium anchors Jeddah's sporting infrastructure with its distinctive architecture, inspired by traditional Islamic geometric patterns. The venue's partial roof renovation will add 35,000 square meters of solar panels, making it the first net-zero energy stadium in the Middle East. A new automated grass management system will adjust soil conditions in real time, maintaining perfect playing conditions despite the coastal climate. The stadium's enhanced transport hub will connect to Jeddah's new metro system through a dedicated station capable of handling 12,000 passengers per hour. The surrounding sports city will include Saudi Arabia's largest indoor arena, 6 FIFA-standard training pitches, and a comprehensive sports medicine facility. King Abdullah Economic City Stadium, Coral Reef Innovation. Located along the Red Sea coast north of Jeddah, the 45,700-seat King Abdullah Economic City Stadium will draw its architectural inspiration from the region's vibrant coral reefs. The stadium's exterior will mimic the organic structures of marine ecosystems, with a facade that will appear to ripple like underwater currents. Part of an ambitious 800,000-plus square metre master plan, this multi-purpose venue will showcase innovative environmental design. The structure's biometric design will channel sea breezes through carefully engineered passages, providing natural cooling and reducing energy consumption by 45% compared to traditional venues. The stadium will feature a revolutionary demountable upper tier, allowing capacity flexibility for post-tournament events. The surrounding development will integrate mixed-use neighbourhoods, featuring retail spaces, sports facilities, and leisure quarters that create a vibrant community hub. Qiddiya Coast Stadium, Dynamic Versatility. This 46,096-seat coastal venue will feature the region's first fully retractable pitch and roof system, allowing transformation from a football venue to an entertainment arena in under 24 hours. The wave-inspired design will incorporate a unique seawater cooling system that will reduce energy consumption by 40% compared to traditional air conditioning. The stadium's flexible capacity system will reduce seating to 25,000 for post-World Cup events, while maintaining premium hospitality areas. An innovative acoustic design will allow the venue to host both sporting events and concerts without compromising sound quality. Jeddah Central Development Stadium, Heritage Meets Future. Designed to reflect Al Balad's historic architecture, this 45,794-seat stadium will feature traditional mashrabiyah patterns in its facade, creating using modern materials that will generate electricity through transparent solar cells. The venue's proximity to the Red Sea will enable a unique district cooling system that will save 30 million gallons of fresh water annually. Southern Region, Arba's Mountain Fortress, King Khalid University Stadium, High Altitude Excellence. At 2,200 meters above sea level, this 45,428-seat stadium will address unique challenges posed by its altitude. A specialized air pressure management system will ensure optimal playing conditions for athletes while providing added comfort for spectators. The venue's distinctive roof design will capture mountain winds for natural cooling, supplemented by a hybrid system that will maintain ideal conditions year-round. As we've explored these remarkable planned venues, it's clear that Saudi Arabia's 2034 World Cup infrastructure will represent a blueprint for the future of stadium design. From vertical integration to sustainable innovation, these venues will push the boundaries for what's possible in sports architecture. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into these engineering marvels, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content about groundbreaking architectural and sporting innovations.